Dear students, welcome to my presentation. I am Vinay Kumar C, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Sri Venkataramana Swami College, Bantwal. So the subject Financial Accounting 1 for first semester BCom students of SVS College. This is the problem we are going to discuss today. So already we have taken 3 to 4 problems in earlier classes. Let us discuss this problem. So on 1st April 2015, a limited company purchased a machinery for 1,20,000. See, on which date they are purchased? On 1/4/2015. Then 30/9/2016 acquired additional machinery at cost of 20,000. The another machinery was purchased. On 30/6/2017, one of the original machine purchased on 1/4/2015, which had cost 5,000, was found to have become obsolete. That means this is the scrap value and was sold as a scrap for 500. It was replaced on the same day by a new machinery costing 8,000. See, on the same date they go for purchasing a new machine. Depreciation is to be provided at 15% per annum. So ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 15% ಡಿಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡು? Written down value method, and also called as reducing balance method. Show the machinery account for the first 3 years, closing the books on 31st March every year. I told earlier, what I told that mention when they are purchased, when they are sold, right? So here also note purchase of machinery on the various dates: 1/4/2015, 30/9/2016, 31/2017, 31/6/2017. So these are the various transactions that took place towards the purchase of machinery and as well as the sale of machinery. So move on to the next calculation, that is calculation of profit or loss towards a sale of machinery. See, on 1/4/2015 we are purchased the machinery at what price? 5,000. So for on the same year the depreciation should be 15% of it. 5,000 into 15 divided by 100, that is 750. See, so then we are getting 4,250. Similarly in 2016 also 15 divided by 100 into 4,250, that is 638. See, this is the written down value method, and the balance you are going to calculate the depreciation. So second year what happens? 4,250 multiplied by 15 by 100. Okay, we are getting 638. The remaining balance is 3,612. Again in 2017 up to June. So it starts from April, May, June. So June full year. So 3/12. So the depreciation should be 3/12 into 15 by 100 multiplied by 3,612. So 135 will be the depreciation. The cost on the date of sale is 3,477. The remaining balance at absolute, that is scrap value, less sales value as scrap, that is 500, we deduct. So finally we are getting 2,977 as a loss on sale of machinery, because the cost of the machinery is 3,477. We are selling at the rupees of only 500. So that means 2,977 is the loss towards a sale of machinery. So what about the journal entries towards this transaction? So sales and the loss on sales, both the transactions are taken together called as compound journal entry. So bank account data is 500. Profit and loss account, that means loss on sale account, will be transferred to P&L account. 2977 to machinery account 3477, right? This is the journal entry. Anyway, move on to the computation of depreciation. So there are 4 machineries are there. We are going to take each and every one separately. The first machinery is 1/4/2015. So that is 5,000 one machinery, 1,15,000 another machinery. For both two machineries, the depreciation is to be 15 divided by 100. For example, 5,000 multiplied by 15 by 100, 750. For second machinery, 1,15,000 multiplied by 15 by 100, 17,250 is the depreciation. The remaining balance is 4,250. For the second machinery, 97,750, right? On 31st/3/2017, what in the second year, again 15%. For the first machinery, we are getting 638. For second machinery, 14,662. Okay, so then in 31st/3/2018, so the 135 is the depreciation for first machinery, 12,463 for the second machinery. So ultimately, for second machinery, 17,625 is the remaining balance. Move on to the third machinery. It is purchased in between 2017 and 2016. That is 20,000. For that, for example, here in this machinery was purchased on 2016. We are calculate the depreciation for a whole year. So see the date. So whatever the date, 2017. So 31st/6/2017, 8,000. 30 September 2016. September, October, November, 3 months. We need to take only 3 months for 20,000. 20,000 into 3 by 12 into 15 by 100. So 1,500 is the depreciation in 2017. Then the balance is 18,500. In the 2018, the full depreciation should be calculated. 18,500 multiplied by 15 by 100, 2,775. The remaining balance is 15,725. Right. See, one more machinery purchased on 31/6/2017. That means June. So calculate the depreciation: July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So that means 9 months. So 9 months for 8,000. So 9 by 12 into 15 by 100 into 8,000. So 900 is the depreciation for the fourth machinery. The remaining balance is 7,100. Okay. So if you want to the overall depreciation for first year, second year, third year, you required. In the first year, 18,000 is the depreciation. In second year, 16,800 is the depreciation. In third year, 16,273 is the depreciation. So only we are telling, I am telling in oral, but all the students required to take this problem, have a calculator and do the calculation first. Calculate the depreciation for all the machinery, and then you go to the calculation of loss on sale. That should be calculated, and later you do the ledger. Okay. So you don't, so only you can not listen, even along with the listen, the practice is also too essential. In the books of the company, the machinery account is required to do date particulars amount, left hand side debit side, right hand side credit side. In 1 April 2015, the machinery was purchased. Machinery account data, 2 bank accounts, so 1,20,000. On the right hand side, we are calculate the depreciation. And depreciation account data, 2 machinery accounts. So by depreciation account, 18,000. So the gross total is 1,20,000. 1,20,000 minus 18,000. 1,02,000 is the balance. That balance should be carried forward to the next year. On 1/4/2016, 2 balance brought down is 1,02,000. On the same year, we are go for purchasing one more machinery 39 2016 to bank account 20,000. For both the two balances we require depreciation amount to the credit side 31st 3 2017 by depreciation account is 16,800. The total is 1,22,000. 1,22,000 minus 16,800. 1,05,200 is the balance. That balance will be carried forward to the next year 1/4/2017. Two balance brought down is 1,05,200. And the same year we go for purchasing one more machinery. Two bank account 8,000. And the same year we have sold the machinery for rupees 500. The journal entry is bank account data to machinery account by bank account 500. We get a loss toward those sales, that is by P&L account 2,977. And the depreciation for all the machinery on the date of 31st 3 2018 by depreciation account 16,273. Then the total is 1,13,200. Out of 1,13,200 we deduct the 500, 2,977, 16,273. Then we are getting 93,450. That amount should be carried forward to the next year on 1/4/2018. True balance brought down is 93,450. This is the solution for this problem. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಈ ಲೆಕ್ಕವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಡಿಮಿನಿಷಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಮಿಷಿನರಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನೀವು ಡಿಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಷನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಿಷಿನರಿದು ಡಿಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಷನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆನ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆನ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಮೆಷಿನರಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಗೊಂದಲ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡನ್ ದ ಫ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿಮಿನಿಷಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವ ಡೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಡೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಆ ಡೇಟಿಂದ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ 31st 3 ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ 1/12 ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಡಿಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಷನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ದ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಈಸಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಎನಿವೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ theory and as well as practical towards the machinery account. In next classes we are going to do some other problems related to the annuity method. Okay. Thank you for watching.